truck. This is a completely rebuilt truck.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And we got a fresh update video for you guys on the Aspen. You guys haven't seen it in a while. It's kind of been in limbo and kind of held up, and it got damaged. Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the Aspen and some of the stuff I'm going to need to do to it. Being where it kind of sat on the property in Kansas for a little bit, and then there's a whole long thing I'm going to have to get into about what was going on with that truck. Anyways, long story short, the fender is damaged, the bumper is kind of pulled out, and the other fender's got a scrape on it. When it was painted, when it was originally rebuilt, and we showed you guys that video, kind of like when we were just getting TK's Garage started, one of the first major projects. I don't think they really roughed up the paint under it from the donor Aspen, from the cream colored Aspen. So the paint is not doing great, but we're going to remedy that issue anyway. We're going to basically order a new fender for it, probably a new bolt-on bumper, because I'm guessing something got pulled out or bent. So bumper cover, and then I can fix the other side with the scrape, refinish the headlights, and repaint the hood. So basically the whole front end, we're going to redo the Aspen so it's done correctly. Thermostat and other stuff was just recently done. Tires and whatnot. We're going to get it back to its former glory so it can look nice, if you guys remember it, and get it right. Yeah, anyways. Reason being is, well, I want to get it back together right and done correctly so that my ex-wife can enjoy the truck and not have to worry about issues with it, why it sat. And being that it basically, you know, has been and will be her vehicle, I want it to be right. I don't want it to go back damaged, so we're going to get it cleaned up. It is currently titled to me and registered to me out of Oklahoma, but we're going to get that signed and all that done and get that to her so that she can do whatever she pleases with that vehicle. So needless to say, let me show you guys where we're at with it. You guys can see the damage and whatnot to it, and then I'll talk about, we'll come back and we'll close out, and I'll talk about when we can expect to see that project being done. So you guys can see the damage here on the driver's side front. The fender's kind of down. The fender well's kind of damaged. That bumper's pulled out. I don't know, maybe I could save the bumper and push it in and just replace the cover. Who knows? But we're just going to do it right. And then you'll be able to see that scratch from a distance, and then you can see it here a little bit closer. Needless to say, we're going to have to give her some work. So there you guys have it, right? Going to need some work. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be able to do the paint work. I suck at painting. Hanging the fenders and stuff, though, getting the body lines right, sanding, prepping, primering, yeah, I can do that. And we'll get that done so that basically we just need to get it sprayed and clear coated so that it matches everything else on the vehicle. And there's a long kind of like key scrape that went down the driver's side of that truck for forever, and they kind of just like touch-up painted that when they rebuilt it. So we're going to fix that too. I just said screw it. If we're going to pay for them to spray the whole front, we can have them spray down that line and blend in so that the entire truck looks right. I'm guessing when it's all said and done, the cost to do that correctly is going to be somewhere around $1,100 is probably going to be my cost for it to be done right. And that's with like discounts and all the other stuff that I'll be doing. But yeah, there you have it. You guys have been asking me about it. There's an update on it. That way you guys can see what the situation is with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And stay tuned. You will be seeing the build on that Aspen coming very, very, very soon.
Perfect.